Market Chameleon Earnings Trading Opportunities of the Day. This is what we're going over. I want to show you some earning play, even though we're at the end of the earnings season. There's not a lot. All the big tech and all the big stocks already posted. There's I think maybe 2-3 weeks left for earnings. I'm not sure. But Market Chameleon has opportunities for every earning every single day. In order to get there, you're gonna click on earning, okay, and of course 7 days, link in the description, free trial if you're not a member just yet. You're gonna click earnings, and in earnings you're gonna click today's opportunities, which will get you to this page. And before we go over this page, we're gonna read a quick disclaimer. So feel free to read and know that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. And also my name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. So with that being said, let me show you what it says today, earning trading opportunities. Now it doesn't mean that you're gonna win. It doesn't mean anything. It just means, based on history, if you can read, screens to identify which option strategy has the highest win rate and historically the most profitable result trading the earnings season. Opportunities are drawn from earning option strategy screener using the last 12 observation to find the best performing strategy. Over, click on option exploration. Theoretical value is calculated using, okay, very good, very good. So this is what we got. Let's see if there's anything interesting. You see, only 3 pages because we are at the end of the earnings season. It comes and goes like a storm. Now let's see if I see. There's no filter from here, like I don't know, all the filter that we saw on the other stuff. So I'm just gonna go over by stuff that I know. I know Zoom. I'm just going over this. I know Zoom, Intuitive, TJ Maxx. They're gonna post earnings. I think this is Rosetta Stone, Macy's, and we got a couple of others. So I'm gonna see we can do by win rate percentage, okay? And there's also the next open date, expiration, and we also got by edge. So as I said many times before, I like to do 2 things. I either screen by win rate, okay, let's go by this, or screen by theoretical value, theoretical edge. Basically by theoretical edge, the higher the theoretical edge, the better, the more edge you have, the more income you can produce, okay, the less risk. It doesn't mean it's not gonna happen, but the less risky it is. So let's start with the first one, because I switched this twice. You click theoretical edge twice. We got Intuitive, right? Yeah, right. This is the, I think they own QuickBooks. I'm pretty sure. Intuit, and it says, and we got a couple of options. I'm not gonna go over all of them. I'm just gonna show you how you can like play the earnings instead of gambling with call options that this stock will go high, or Tesla calls, or whatever, or Nvidia calls for earning next week. So we got Intuitive, market cap 186 billion, for example. Earning, it tells you on August 22nd, which is 2 days from now, after market close, AMC, and tells you the strategy, calendar call spread, or calendar call spread in here, or the third one, credit put spread. I don't like the calendar. I don't really understand calendar. It's too complex. You need to sell one for this month when another one for the next month. It's too much. I want a one and done, and that's why credit put spread sounds interesting more to me. And it says historical open rate 3 days before, and historical close rate 1 day before, and it tells you 11 times of observation, 82% win rate. So let's see what we got exactly for this put credit spread. Average return positive 30%, Sharper ratio 664. Next open date August 20, which is today. Next close date August 26. It tells you exactly what to do. Expiration August 30, market cap 1160, and basically theoretical value 837. So the value is 1160. The theoretical value is okay. Let's click, and it tells you exactly what to do. It tells you basically to take the trade. It will show you, okay, intuitive price 668. Just so you know, it will tell you you sell the 670 and you buy the 637. This is quite rich. There's a lot of meat, but also historical win rate 63%. Okay, but you're risking a lot, and I don't like to risk $2,000 to make 1,100. That's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, let's see what else we got. Let's go over to Advanced Auto Part AAP. Okay, earning also in 2 days. This is an iron butterfly, meaning you collect the most income at the second that you take the trade, but don't expect it to stay the same. 2 days before and then close 1 day after, and it tells you 80% win rate, 88% average return. This is interesting. Tells you next open date August 20 today and close August 23. And for this week, for this Friday, interesting, coin market cap 500 instead of 300, which is what it should be. And the butterfly, it tells you what to do exactly. Okay, so this is interesting. The price today is $60, and it tells you the butterfly, you sell the straddle, you sell at the money put and call, and you buy far put and you buy wings, far put and far calls. Ideally, you want the price to stay 61. That's your max profit. But if it doesn't, you collect anything in between those wings. So this is a very interesting butterfly to me for my own account, not a financial advice. Look at this. You collect a credit of almost $500. I can put a limit of 5 compared to 260. More than double the income based on history. Okay. 75% historical win rate. Okay, that's pretty good. And if you scroll down, okay, you see midpoint is already 515, so you can bid $5, 515, and this is your income. Your max income is at 61, and going down if the price goes down, but you have until Friday. It says here distance to max loss, negative 11%, positive. Okay, but max loss is under 54 or above 68, and we are at only 61, something like that. 60.7. Your goal is for the earnings to do nothing. That's your goal. Break even. You can break even only if the stock, they lose all your income, the 500 income. If it goes up or down about 8% to 56 or 65. Okay. Surge price, let's say $500. Max gain 200% yield. If the stock doesn't move, you are collecting $500, which is not bad at all in a few days. So that's a butterfly based on earnings. Let's see if there's anything else before we wrap this up. We got lows, they already posted. We got diagonal put spread, okay, and we got credit put spread. Oh, interesting. So what do we have here? But they already posted. This is interesting. I want to see day of earning. Okay. And 1 week after. Interesting. 70% win rate. You open today. You close next week. Okay. So this is for lows. This is interesting if we want to stay on the safe side. Even though options are not safe at all. But lows already posted earnings. Okay. So you do the put spread 242.5, 235. I mean, it's up to you. And TJ Maxx is posting very soon. Yeah, tomorrow. Diagonal. Let's see. We got ourselves. I want to see something interesting. I want to see this one. 111% win rate. Debit call spread. Who's PNW? Palo Alto Network. Okay, interesting. We got ourselves. You open today, you close in 3 days, and the trade itself, this is a debit call spread, so you're bullish on the earnings, and you bet a positive move. So the price 373 already up to 8% today, and you're gambling that the price will be above 390 at max. You buy the 385, you sell the 390. Interesting. It's more of a debit, yeah. So you're just paying $100 compared to $200 to collect 400 potential. This is your potential 400, and for 4 to 1, not bad. And you need the stock to move just to break even another 3.3%. Interesting. That's something interesting. Your max loss is $100. Okay, well, tons of opportunities every single day. There's also Zoom that you can see. Anyway, link in the description for Market Chameleon 7 days trial below. I'll see you next time. Yeah.